Hi guys, hi. So this is my CBR 1000R 2005, and I was driving it yesterday. I've got a bit of an issue with the gearbox. So I have had an issue before with the engine. Turns out to be a head gasket and a spark plug I replaced and dropped the engine out of it. I'll show you some different videos of that. But basically, this one I'm going to need to take the gearbox out and see what's going on. I insert a clip of what happened yesterday when I'm riding, so just for reference. Probably going to do is just put you on a time lapse and then bring you back once I've got the gearbox out. There's plenty of videos about. I'll try and get some better light in here, but I need to start off by getting off the front sprocket and taking all the clutch out, and then hopefully I'll be able to get the gearbox out in one piece, but we'll see. So wish me luck. I'll put your time lapse and I'll come back to you, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I finally managed to get the gearbox out. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. It came out a bit quicker than I anticipated, to be fair. So I just need to have a little look through it, check with the dogs and stuff like that, make sure I'm not missing anything. I haven't seen anything in there. It doesn't mean I'm not missing it, so I'm going to have a good look through and work out what I'm up to. And then I'll come back and show you if I find what the issue is, and then obviously how I'm going to go forward. It's actually not that bad to get out. Just got to be careful, there's a real small jet in that little hole somewhere it's come out of. Just got to be really careful because it really comes out pretty quick. Nice to see inside the engine actually a bit better. I just don't know what it could be. I'm glad it's not glaringly obvious in one respect, but I kind of wish it was. I just don't know where that bit of metal's gone, which is a bit of a worry. I'm gonna have a little. I mean, obviously, I'll probably have to drain the fuel oil before I get it back up and running again, but we will see. I'm gonna see if it's like lost a bit of metal somewhere along the line. I'll give that a good clean out in a minute. And just have a little look, make sure there's nothing. I haven't seen nothing, but I'm guessing it's probably go to the sump if it has. So we'll have a look. Yeah, there's a bit of residue oil. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not, or what, but maybe you can let me know. And then, yeah, obviously took all this off before with the starter clutch and idle gear and stuff like that, and the cam chain. I did the engine, but obviously I didn't go as far as the gearbox. But now I've done the gearbox and the engine, so yeah, I feel like I've really got to know this bike pretty quick, to be fair. I mean, the bearings didn't. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, they're smooth as butter, so I'm not worried about them. All the surfaces are pretty clean. I'll give them a good clear up before I put it back. It does say recommend to put any dusted in. I've noticed my clutch basket's really worn, well, it's probably really juddery, so I'm probably going to have to do something about that. But hey, I'll do that in due course. Yeah, definitely worth sticking that bag down there, because obviously when it comes down to dropping things in oil, that's a good start. So that's obviously my oil. You can see I did clear it not so long ago. It doesn't look that clean, so God knows what's going on. It's the oil pump obviously working. I don't probably all piss out when I do them. But yeah, I'll come back once I have a look at the gearbox and let you know what I think. Alright, chaps. Okay, guys. Right, so done all this. Drain the oil out of it. Obviously, just to make sure that there's nothing left in there, because I'm gonna have to drop the sump. So the reason I've got the oil drain, I just changed the oil not so long ago, but I'm on a bit of a bear hunt. I was gonna take the exhaust already because I've got a broken exhaust stud that I need to sort out. So that probably means dropping the radio again, dropping the exhaust, and then obviously I was gonna build this over the winter again, rebuild it, strip it down. But my gearbox is, I don't know if you can see this gear here. Let me just get a pointer. Try this. So the big rattly, as I showed earlier, and it's this gear here. See, I'm missing a tooth, so I need to find out where that tooth has gone in my engine. I've had a look over the rest of them. There don't seem to be any other issues apart from that one. So far, I haven't seen anything else. I need to proper look at it. The dogs on the teeth, I mean, they don't look too terrible. I don't really know about disassembling the whole gearbox. I'm looking at it, I'm not sure. I'm going to find it. Sorry, typically sideways. I'm not really sure I'm going to find out. But yeah, the big issue is for me is I've obviously got to find that part. The rest of the gearbox doesn't look too bad. It just depends on, just to see if I can find that other tooth or not. Yeah, I mean, selected for all the gears, it's just that one, but if I try maybe find another one, who knows. But I'm going to work through my trusty manual and see how I get on, and it'll probably going to have to order some parts now, so I'll do another update when I get the parts in. I have got some other things to do. I've got the fork seals, which I've got the parts ready to go, so I'm going to do them. I'll try and do a video doing them if you want to see it. I've got the exhaust stud. I'll do a video when I can get the exhaust stud out. I'm going to drop the sump, so I'm going to do that as well. Yeah, I'll just see how I get on with all that sort of stuff. But any questions, just drop it in the comments and let me know, and I'll see if I can do my best to answer it. But until then, wish me luck, and I'll catch you guys soon. Thank you.